Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to replace the battery on this Hyundai key fob. So the first thing you'll need is you need to remove the emergency blade. You press this pin right here, this round pin, and then you pull this out. Okay, so once you have that out, you can see this gap right here on the side. We're going to insert the tip of the metal key, then we're going to twist it. So we're not inserting it back in this keyhole. We're going to insert it right there, that gap, and then we're going to hold the key and then twist this. Okay, that requires a little bit of force, but the housing should pop open as you saw right there. Now carefully put that down, put this over here, and then right here we have the battery. It's important to note the side of the battery. We're going to use the metal key again to remove it. So push down on one side and this comes out. Okay, so you see the positive is on the back. It's also marked on the housing right there. So that's important, because if you install this backwards like this, your key fob is not going to work. So you'll take the new battery and then you're gonna press it on this, press up so that this metal piece right there is pushed up. Remember, the positive is on the back. We're gonna hold it there and then push it on this side so that goes in, and then you'll take this, line this up, and then press it to close it, and then you reinsert the metal key and press that in. Now a couple of things: if you replace this battery and the key does not work, still a couple of things to note is that pay attention to these metal pieces right here. They're supposed to make contact on the battery there. Also this right there is supposed to make contact right here, so make sure that that's not bent, pushed in too far, because if it's pushed in too far, it's not going to make contact right there. The same thing with this: if they're pushed in really and they're almost flat, then they're not going to make contact. So what you could do is you can bend this out a little bit, and then you can bend this out as well. Okay, but that's it. The other problem that could happen is that the battery, the positive is on this side, so it's mounted backwards. Basically you'll have to take it out, make sure you have the battery in the correct position, and reinstall it. Those two things, just make sure the contacts and the battery are installed correctly. And once you do have that, we're going to close it this time, insert the emergency key, and test it. You can see the red light there flashing. Thank you for watching.